Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to hide tab preview images in Google Chrome on your PC. This feature can sometimes clutter your browsing experience, so disabling it can help streamline your tabs. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, locate the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your Start menu. Click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Access the menu. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the drop-down menu, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 4. Navigate to Appearance. Within the Settings menu, you will see a list on the left side. Scroll down and select Appearance. This section contains various options related to how Chrome looks and behaves. Step 5. Disable Show Tab Preview Images. In the Appearance section, look for an option labeled Show Tab Preview Images. This is the feature that displays images when you hover over your tabs. To disable it, simply toggle the switch to the off position. And that's it. You have successfully hidden the tab preview images in Google Chrome. Now, when you hover over a tab, you will no longer see those images pop up, allowing for a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience. If you ever wish to re-enable this feature, just follow the same steps and turn the toggle back on. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing.